Would you recommend this course to someone that is considering?
Without a doubt. I would say to them, if you're feeling like you're
Might be considering taking the course, and if so, why?
Absolutely. I mean, I am the ultimate beginner in Te Reo. I had zero exposure to it prior to.
Would you recommend other people take this course, and if so, why?
Absolutely. Obviously,
Maybe considering doing the course.
Highly recommend it. Highly recommend the course. No, you can't go wrong with it.
Would you recommend this course to someone that is considering doing it?
Yeah, absolutely. I think, the way the course is put together, it's just super easy to follow.
Would you recommend the course to other people that are considering doing it, and if so, why?
absolutely. And I have been recommending it. I have whānau here actually for the next couple of days.
Would you recommend this course to anyone that is considering doing the course, and if so, why?
Oh, absolutely, I'd recommend it. And I think in terms of the why, I think it was...
Would you recommend that they take this course, and if so, why?
Yes, I would recommend you take the course because it throws you into the deep end of learning Te Reo Māori.
Would you recommend this course to other people, and if so, why?
Oh, definitely I would recommend this to other people. The reason being is it's just so supportive. Everyone's supportive of each other. Yeah.